Welcome to Fire Alarm Guide, your platform for practical fire alarm design and engineering knowledge. In this video, we will understand three important fire alarm signals: alarm, supervisory, and trouble signals based on NFPA 72 concepts. An alarm signal indicates a fire emergency condition. When a smoke detector senses smoke or a manual pull station is activated, it sends a signal to the fire alarm control panel. The panel processes the signal and activates notification devices to alert building occupants. A supervisory signal does not indicate a fire. It indicates that a fire protection system component requires attention because it may affect system operation. For example, sprinkler control valves must remain open. If the valve closes, the tamper switch sends a supervisory signal. A trouble signal indicates a fault in the fire alarm system. It does not mean there is a fire, but the system requires repair to maintain proper operation. Remember, alarm means fire is detected. Supervisory means the fire protection system needs attention. Trouble means the fire alarm system has a fault. Understanding these three signals is essential for every fire alarm engineer. For more fire alarm updates, NFPA 72 explanations, and practical design guidance, subscribe to Fire Alarm Guide. For technical queries, contact us at firealarmguide@gmail.com.